we are here to present to you our project on the web application. I'm Rama Solanki, the communications lead. He's Otku, our team lead, and the developer. He's Costa, our second developer. Norgel, he's our resource manager, and Arash, he took care of the documentation. Today we're going to be going over the high priority requirements, which will highlight the stuff we did for our project, the architecture, block diagram, project extension and enhancement, system diagrams that support our project. We do have a live demo in the end to show you what we did for our project, and a live question and answer session where you can ask any questions you have. Now I'm going to pass it over to Norgel. He's going to go into detail about requirements.
First, we have a special thanks to Dr. Tan for always helping us as a leader and in office hours in the meetings, and also maybe emailed him. He was responding us very fast with great feedbacks. And also the help for providing us the platform for using to build our project. It was basically an open source, specially designed for social networking. And here are the list of our priorities. The high priority requirement, as you know, among the steps that we went through our project, we changed some of the requirements from medium to high, and here are most important requirements. It's basically about create a user, customized user profile, and search by profession, and also a group of professions, request mentorship, and user activity statistics, which will be shown in demo in more detail by Otku. And also we had non-functional requirements, which is mostly about designing a good platform, user-friendly platform, and easy to learn. Now, Arash will be talking about the architecture.
Architecture actually composed of three parts. The first are application in the middle, mentor web, and the second part using the database, and the third one the other application that can use our database and our program. And this feature in red is our future program that we're going to use our own database. And our enhancement for the future is using the LinkedIn integration that will allow users to sign up to our website more easily. The second one is live chat, and the third one is it will automatically offer users about the mentor and mentee. And at the end, we're going to use the emails in the sign-up process. This is the system diagram that we use to developing our web app. We use the Notepad for as an IDE to developing, and the third one we use the PHP code files, and we use the database from WAMP.
All right, so I'm going to quickly please to our demo, and it's running on the local server. So this is our application, the homepage. So what I'll do first is that I'll register a new user. So I click on the registration page, and let's say my name is Kevin, let's say Damon Smith. Yeah, let's say my email is Damon, and the username will be Damon. Password is Damon. Make sure it's good. Then verify my password again. Then I select what do I want to be. So do I want to be a mentor, a mentee, or both? So let's say I want to be a mentee. Click mentee, and I click my profession. Let's say I'm in software engineering. Oh, here it is. So then I click register, and it'll take me to the home page. Here I am. So what do I do first? Is that I want to update my profile. So I click on my profile, and let's say I want to put a picture of myself, so that everyone knows how I look like. And guess what? I have a picture of myself. And here you go. This is me. And then I want to create an avatar for myself. So I create it. And as you can see back there, you can see a small Damon. So I click on that. That will take me back to my profile. Then I want to edit my profile. I want to put more information to it. So I click my interests. I like lifting weights. I like jogging. I like reading. And coding. And my skate name, it will be Damon123. About me is that I need help in everything. Then my employment is like SJSU, GreenApple, and preferred email, Damon, preferred phone, just, I don't know, whatever. Location, let's say San Jose. And I don't want to save my birthday, so I'll just leave it blank. Go save it, and here this, all the information that's updated, but the resolution is kind of shabby. But these are all the information that I just put in. Now let's say I want to find myself a mentor. So I click the search bar, and let's say I want someone in software. And guess what? I see all the mentors who have a profession in software listed here. So I browse through them one by one, and I see who is good. Let's say, oh, there's Otku. Click on it. This guy has 3 stars with 4 votes. No, he's not good. So I go back and say, there's Roma. And she has 5 stars. Let's say there's Costa. Oh, Costa, I like because he's also in sports, so maybe I'll click Costa. So I click him as add a mentor, and that sends a request to him. Now I'm going to go to Firefox and log in as Costa's account. Costa 123. Costa 123. Log in. And this will take me to my homepage, and guess what? It's updated here. Yeah, there's a number 1 right there. So that means I have 1 request from this guy, Damon. So should I approve him? Yeah, I'll approve him. Then that's approved. I go back to Damon's, which is the Chrome running. I go to my profile, click my mentors, and guess what? Costa has been added to my mentor. So I click on Costa's profile. Let's say I want to send him a message. And in the message I will say, hey, I want to work at Google. Can you help me? Oops. Help me. So I send him a message and send. So I go back to Costa's profile. I need to refresh. And guess what? There's red. It means the new message came in. And guess what? There's one from Damon, which is in red. And it says, I want to work at Google. Can you help me? So I reply him. You will never work at Google. You will only work as a janitor over there. So I sent him a message. Damon, guess what? Yeah, Damon received the message right here. And here, it's red. And guess what? New message from Costa. I read it. I'm not too happy about the message. Go back to Costa's account. Oops. There you go. Costa's account. Costa is not a good mentor. Give him 1 star. And as you can see, I'm going to refresh it. His rating went down. It was 3 votes. Now it's 4 votes. I think before it was like 5 stars, and now it was 1 star. So now it's balanced kind of. So basically, his rating went down. So in the mentor web, all I can do is that I can see Costa's resume. I can upload my own resume. Let's see, here you go. Resume, uploading it. Let's say that's my resume. It's Damon's resume. And upload it. And I go back to my profile. And guess what? There's my resume right there. I can download it. Go there. And what we did with Mentor Web is that we created departments. From SJSU catalog, we selected all the crucial departments and we created groups for them. So that if you're interested, let's say, in software engineering, we go to your department and you look at the group page. This is the learning environment. We have bookmarks, we have blogs, how to get a job, cloud computing. We have people's resumes, we have group activity, we have a gathering, there's a note, we have discussions, And more importantly, we have the mentors for this group, for software engineers, and this is the list. So one of the options that the first option, find the mentor through a search bar. One is go to the department and find individual mentors. And let's say I want to find a good mentor. I go to, let's say, Nirgal Arash. Here's Arash's profile. Let's see, he's a good mentor. I add him as a mentor. So with the mentor web, we have a menu bar, and it has all these elements here. We have these groups. There's more to it. And you can actually rate these groups as well, like communication and stuff. Then I have all the resumes uploaded by the users. I have all the blogs updated. I have all the users. I can see all of them. And there's more to it. There's bookmarks, pages, and the wire is more like a forum. You just send a message to everyone, like I want to do it. And now I will give it back to Costa to talk about the administration issues.
Okay, so I'm the admin, and I want to see what's going on with my website. So just go again, and here. Okay, so here if I want to set the administration, I just go to administration. And here I can see all interesting stuff, statistics, overview, and here I can see the messages, how many resumes, number of blogs, groups, users, all interesting stuff. Then I can also see the utilities. And here I can keep track of the users, when they logged in, when they logged out, pretty much what they did. And
So we used Elk as our base platform, and we had to use various plugins, and we had to customize the PHP files to match it to MentorWeb. And right now it's time for questions. We have like 2 or 3 minutes.
So you signing as a, say, mentor or mentee, right? Can you sign in as both?
Yes, there is an option. I'll show you it. So click register, and I'm not sure if you can see, but this is the both option, mentee and mentor.
Can you change after you sign in?
Yes. I'll go back as Damon. I'll log in. And I think I have to edit the profile again. Change him back. Edit profile. And I can change him here. Let's say, oh, I learned a few things. I'll be a mentor. And let's say